Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a little like look-see with the new Boxycharm April box. Ooh, so this is just a little box and this is a little postcard. So it just says peace, love, and Boxy. So it's like about like Coachella, because Coachella is like this weekend, I think it is. So in this, you get 5 things. So that's what the first thing that I'm gonna see is this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Summer Haze. This retails for $27. So I'm just gonna open it just so that you can see what she looks like this. Ooh, that's pretty. And see if I can even open this. How do you do this? Oh, I think there's something in there. Okay, well we'll open that later, but that's the shade Summer Haze. So just put that lid back on. It's really pretty packaging. Next thing is gonna be the Luxie The Summer Days 3 brush set. So let me open these up really quickly. They want to come out of the little packaging. Okay, so this is the little packaging, and there are these 3 brushes. So this one, what is this one called? This one is small contouring, which is pretty, and then there is the small shader, which is this one. They all have numbers, so 245. This one is 512, and then this one is 209, and this one is a large shader brush. I do have a couple more brushes from them, like this little guy's from them. And I think these are, yeah, Luxie. So Boxycharm has a lot of Luxie brushes in there, and they're really good. I actually like them. I use them a lot. So we're gonna use these today. And then the next thing is this bodyography eye pencil in the shade Bali. I can't read. Bali Bronze. Oh, and then the brush set just to say how much they are, $28, and then this little bodyography eye pencil is $14. And then the next thing is this Appeal holographic lip gloss. Does this say a shade name or anything? Trendsetter. So let's see where this is. Let's see. Appeal Cosmetics holographic lip gloss, and this one is $21 just for this little lip gloss. Upside down. It's cool. It's hollow. And then the next thing is the Complexion Authority Festival palette. So it's like, oh, upside down. So it's all on brand with Festival, like, ooh, Festival. And then these are the shades. Ooh, so I'm gonna open it. So then it comes with this Get a Grip. It says Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. So that's cute. And then this is what the palette looks like. Oh, and it has one of these little protectors on it. So just rip that off. And this is what the palette looks like. That's cute. It's really pretty. Their stuff always smells really good. Every time I get something from there, it's all good. So if we wanted to add this all up, so 36 is gonna be how much the palette is. The brushes are 28. The little glow powder is 27, the lip gloss is 21, and the bodyography eye pencil is 14. So that's, so is that 30, 40, 50, 60, 100, I don't know. That's a lot. It's more than $100. So you definitely get your money's worth. And if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription, and you pay, I think, I pay $21, and then every other month or every 2 months they do the BOXYLUXE, which is that big one. I'll link it down below. I have more videos to link below. And this one is just this month. It's giving me Arizona vibes. That's where I'm from. That's my little cactus right there. And yeah, so I think we'll just get into using all of the stuff that I got in this month. See you in a little bit. And I'm back. I just did my eyebrows and prime my lids with just some concealer. I'm just gonna pat this, just pat it out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dip into my little palette ski. So I'm just gonna use this, I don't know, Morphe big brush. It's like got an angle on it. Use this guy, probably not. Yeah, gonna use this guy and just go right into Epic. This color, Epic right here. And then just pat her all over. Pat her all over this festival look. I want to look like I'm going to Coachella and I only have 2 minutes to do an eyeshadow look, so yeah. Because I'm gonna get drunk. That's what these things are, right? Reasons for people to go get drunk. Just smudge it all. Smudge all in there. Oh yeah. Just like that. With the orange shade. And then next, I'll just take that brush. Not that brush either. Take another little brush. We're gonna take this one. This is the E17 from Morphe. And then we'll just dip into this darker shade. It's like a, I don't even know, like a rusty brown color. I'm just gonna just slowly tap that into the crease. Just like this. Yes. This is sort of do a gradient of those two colors. And then just go back in, tap this one, and then just sort of just put this right over. Just like that. Just let these two colors sort of let they blend. And then the next shade, we'll just dig into this one, the one called All Night, the dark brown one. We're just gonna, on a R39 brush. So All Night, just right into the what is it, outer corner, just to deepen it up. Cause we're going to Coachella. Woo, festival vibes. That's how you say it. Festival vibes. Then I'm gonna take the E17 brush again, go back into Hidden Desert. And then just sort of blend that. Oh, yeah. Blend that and then go back into Epic, because we're gonna have an epic time. And then back into All Night, because we're gonna party all night long, honey. And then just sort of just do that. Go back in with our Epic shade. Ooh, and drop it maybe. So Epic, and then just slightly pat it, just so that it looks a little bit more lighter on the outer corner, and then just subtly, really subtle, go in with Hidden Desert, and then back in with All Nighter right in the corner. Just like, oh yeah. Blend those two. And then I think we're gonna go ahead and just gonna tap onto the pink shade. It's called Wild Child, and then E27 brush. And then we're just gonna pat this basically all over the lid, just so that we get a little bit of pink in there. Like that. Take a little bit more. Go back in with All Night. Slightly I'm gonna use this color, Free Spirit. Ooh, I just threw a brush. Maybe not use that one. We'll just tap into a little brush. Like this little one. This is another Morphe brush. It's like a little like bullet brush. I'm just gonna barely like do that. And then just, you know, use that as eyebrow highlight. Bring it all the way up. Because we're going to Coachella, and then just take Epic, just like tap off a lot, and then just use Epic just to, you know, blend in with that shape. And then next, what we're going to do, I feel like I'm going really fast. So next we're gonna take some time and maybe, I don't know. Oh, this is like a full-on glitter shade. It's glitter shade. Just maybe, no, I'm just gonna put this right over it. Oh yeah. Put that right over the whole entire eye, and then just take a little bit of, that one was Firework, and then just take a little bit of the other shade, which is 24 Karat Magic, and then just put that right there. And you can just see all the glitter everywhere. And then I'm gonna wipe my hands on this little towel right here. Then just go back. That glitter gets everywhere, but that's what the glitter looks like. Then just, I'm gonna dip just a little bit into the inner corner just so that, you know, you just see a little bit of that gradient. And then just dip back into Wild Child, the pink color, just so that it pounces on the glitter so the glitter doesn't look too wild. I want to try to see if I can use a brush with this glitter. I don't think that's doing much. Okay, well, this brush has tons of glitter on it now, so we're not going to use that one. Then I'm going to take... Okay, I'm not doing this on purpose. Then I'm just going to take another brush, this little one, M2... Oh my god. M231, and I'm going to go into this one, it's called Psychedelic. Just going to just do one of those. And then this... And then you have to like... That glitter gets everywhere, so watch out, y'all. I'm gonna clean some of this glitter off. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Try to get as much of that glitter off as I possibly can. And I'm just gonna use that shade Psychedelic, the dark gold one again, just to do like my inner corner, just to make it pop. And then I'm going in with Free Spirit right in the very inner corner, at least trying to. just so that it blends in nicely. Good bright pink glitter. And that's basically the look. I think I'm gonna try to do that purple shade under the underneath, just so that it like pieces it all together. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, then do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back and you'll see my little festival look. So we're back and I have both eyes done. I put that little, oh, I just have the lid, the little Artist Couture highlight on, which is really pretty. I really like it. And I did use a couple of the brushes, just did a little bit of the purple underneath the eyes, and I used this little brush to do a little bit of concealer. And then I did use the lip gloss, which it is now pink, because I just put it on right on top, and now pink. So, oh well. And I just put this little lipstick on my lips just to make it pop and give you that little festival vibes, like, ooh, wearing all that glitter. Wearing some, what are these, Lashaholic lashes in the style Instaglam. I tried using this pencil thing, but yeah, I don't know if you can really tell. I tried using it under my eyes, and that didn't really work out that well because my eyes get really watery. But I did sort of draw on my hand, so like that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. And yeah, that's the final look with the Pure Festival palette. And yeah, if you guys like this look, keep on watching, because you know I'm gonna be turning these looks just like this one. You want to see some more? Keep watching, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Sometimes we're just ourselves.